Hello guys, welcome. In this video we're talking about the Gogh app stuck on load screen that reg Gogh next mocking you. So you're not alone, this focus tool's been buggy for some, but I've got the latest fixes for you. So the quick stuff: close Gogh completely, double tap home or swipe it away on your phone, or quit via Task Manager on PC. Restart your device a full power off, not just sleep. Reopen Gogh. Some users on X say this clears it if it's a one-off glitch. If no dice, update it. Check Steam for version 1.2.3 or the App Store for 2.1. So posts say patches since April 4 fixed load hangs for most. Step number 2, you can dig deeper. On mobile, go to Settings, Apps, Gogh Storage and clear the cache. Not data yet, just cache, test it. Still stuck, uninstall and reinstall. After that, guys, this is a weird one. Language settings. Steam forums say Gogh hates non-English system languages sometimes. Switching your PC or phone to English will help. Settings and language then relaunch. Worked for Russian users after April 4 updates. And that's pretty much it. That's the fixes. Just restart your phone, update the app, reinstall, tweak language, or hit support. Guys, fixed yours. Drop your win below, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.